Are you thinking about starting your own digital business? Or maybe you just need powerful tools to save time and deliver professional results. Hold on, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Digital Products Store, the ultimate hub for developers, designers, content creators, and digital entrepreneurs. Source code in VB, Net, Python, and C# to kickstart or upgrade your apps. Editable PowerPoint templates, UI kits, and sleek design assets to bring any idea to life. Ready-made tools for content creators, from visuals and resources to marketing elements that make an impact. Every product is crafted with precision, legally licensed, and ready to use or resell confidently. Your digital store is ready. Now you need the tools that accelerate success and turn your vision into reality in days, not months. Visit the store today and grab the tools that make the difference. Instant downloads, free updates, ongoing support, digital products that build success, all in one place. Start smart, start your project. Unlock your creativity with our digital collection.